Yesterday, I read about 23 people got arrested in Manipur by the state police. Why? Because they set fire to a lawmaker's house in this capital city, Imphal. This was a single instance from a day, and we all know and are aware about such news coming from Manipur from a long time. Since the High Court's order about giving the ST status to Meitei people, these violence have erupted. So let's look into the issue that why there are such cases and why there is an unrest in the state. Before that, let's look into the geography of the state. The Manipur is surrounded by other states in the northeastern region of India. It shares an international boundary in east with Myanmar, while it has Nagaland in its north, and it shares boundary with Assam in west, and in south it has a boundary with Mizoram. If I talk about the internal geography, it has an outlay like in the central region is a valley region, which is surrounded by the hilly region. And in the valley region, there is a high population density as most of the people reside there, and it is dominated by the Meitei community. While the hilly region is dominated by other tribes like Kuki and the Naga tribe. There is an ethnic rivalry between the two tribes, the Kuki and the Meitei community. According to the Meitei's perspective, they are against the Land Reforms Act of 1960, which states that the Meitei people are not allowed to buy land in the hilly region, while the Kuki tribe is allowed to buy land in the valley region, which they think is an act of inequality, because due to which the land is contracting for Meitei people. While in Kuki-Zo's perspective, giving a ST status to the Meitei people will be an act of inequality, because it is also seen that there is a political dominance of Meitei tribe. From the 60 total seats of the assembly in the state, 40 are from the valley region, while 20 are from the hilly region, which is in unequal division. Apart from this, the militant groups, which are very common in Manipur, there are total 30 active militant groups which are causing and are the major cause of these violences. Apart from this, the third region, there had been a military coup in Myanmar in 2021, which led to the inflow of the refugees from the Myanmar into the Manipur. As the Kuki-Zo tribe in the hilly region shares ethnic ties and cultural ties with these Ching people from the Myanmar, and when they were mistreated by the Meitei people, there had been instances of violence. So for this, the government can do things like if in short term, government has deployed the forces there, the paramilitary forces there, and it has enacted the APSPA there, the Armed Force Special Powers Act. Well, for long term, government can go with the infrastructure development and dealing with the major militant groups. Thank you.